So in this video today, I'm going to be cleaning and decorating my clothes for the spring. So come on with me, guys. Now I'm trying to keep everything simple, and this area of my counter is the catch-all area. So I don't want to put too much, but I still want to do a little something. Now, if you guys haven't used this cleaner, it's a multi-purpose cleaner called the Pink Stuff right here. It is amazing. I love the scent and it cleans so well. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Clean and Decorate. And who's hosting this? Well, we have myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle, or my main channel is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And then hosting with me is Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. Now, always remember that open collaborations is exactly that. Anyone can come in and join. If you're cleaning an area, refreshing an area, decorating an area, guys, this is the collab for you. So I cannot wait to have you. So now here I had DIY this vase. It's very beautiful, guys. It has pearls. It has that beautiful bow with iridescent glitter. I had decorated it with these yellow florals, so we're not changing that. The only thing I'm taking out is the bunny pick that I had put in there for Easter. So I'm just going to, fluff up the flowers and put that back against the wall, hopefully covering those outlets. Then I elevated the teapot and placed that on a gold stand that I purchased from Dollar General. Now this is a beautiful cloche that I received from BB Crafts, and what I did is I put a metal rose in there in that beautiful color, and on the bottom I filled that with some pearls. Now I'm probably going to move stuff around, guys, until I find it comfortable, but remember, we're keeping it simple because it is the catch-all area. So that beautiful little teapot reminds me of the bigger one, so I decided to go ahead and stick that there, but I'm going to move that around. All right, so here is another DIY planter that I made using the tumbling tower blocks from the Dollar Tree. This was a great DIY, very inexpensive. So I had the little bunny button, this arrangement here, so we need to move the florals around and take out that pick just so that we can just blend in to spring. All right, so I like the placement of everything here. Now I'm going to put the paper towel holder here and the dishwashing liquid. And then we're pretty much set here. Let's move on to the next thing. Okay, so here is my clothes. And by the way, I did DIY this with items that I purchased from the Goodwill, guys. So we're going to wipe everything down and we're going to go ahead, and since it's big, do a nice little setting for the spring. I think it's going to come out amazing. So I think this cloche came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. Now let's head on over to the reveal. Now I think it looks beautiful right here in the corner of the counter. I just wanted to change stuff up a little bit. Look at it. Gorgeous. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. And if you haven't been over to Sandy Lynn's Home and Gardens channel, you're missing out, guys. She has an amazing channel. Let her know that I sent you, and God bless you guys. Amen.